This is DJI Mini 5 Pro, and today I'll show how you can calibrate the remote controller of this drone. So to begin, switch off the aircraft, since if the aircraft is powered on, the RC calibration cannot be performed. So locate the power button on your drone, press it once, then the second time press and hold it for a second or so. Once the drone is properly switched off, do not leave the flight interface, just go into settings, select the control category on top, scroll down and locate the RC calibration option. Now tap on it. Before we press start, we are asked to ensure that control sticks are centered, which they obviously are. Yes, hopefully. Then press start. And now you can calibrate your movable mechanical parts, so joysticks and dials. So let's begin by calibrating left joystick. So what we need to do is, push it all the way to the left, top, right, and bottom. All the directions that are set here. Then we'll rotate the dial all the way to the right, all the way to the left, all the way to the right, all the way to the left, and do the same for the right stick too. Then you'll need to, once those things are checked and the progress lines of those directions were filling up nicely, smoothly and gradually, which means that everything is calibrated and there are no mechanical faults at least. In order to finalize the calibration, you will need to do two things at the same time. Push any of the stick in any of the directions all the way, like that doesn't matter. And while held, also, scroll the dial all the way to the either direction, left, right, doesn't matter. And that's how you calibrate your remote controller, or check if everything is smooth and moves the way it should. So that's about it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.